WooCommerce store owners, tired of seeing your emails lost in spam folders? Imagine if every message reached your customer's inbox. That's where warmupIP steps in. With a powerful seed list of over 20,000 contacts across the top ISPs, warmupIP handles all the heavy lifting. Just add your server or domain, and we do the rest. Our team actively engages with your emails, opening, clicking, and replying, building up your domain's reputation. The results? Store owners have seen sales climb by 20 to 30% within just a few weeks. Meet Emma, a savvy entrepreneur running a flourishing WooCommerce store. Emma's business was thriving, but delivering campaigns to 150,000 recipients each week presented a significant challenge. Errored emails were dragging down her domain's reputation and causing deliverability issues. With a vast seed list, warmupIP worked behind the scenes, interacting with Emma's emails to rebuild her domain's credibility. The results? Emma's emails began reaching 99.99% of her customers' inboxes, driving a 23% boost in sales.